Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Soundcore C50i by Anker Open Ear Earbuds, designed for a lightweight, comfortable fit that keeps you aware of your surroundings. With clear audio, a secure ear hook design, and stable Bluetooth connectivity, they're perfect for workouts and daily use. Plus, long battery life and easy controls make them a convenient choice for all-day listening. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore C50i by Anker Open Ear Earbuds, charging case, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide. Product features. Designed to rest comfortably outside your ears, the Soundcore C50i by Anker offers a lightweight, pressure-free fit that you can wear for long periods without discomfort. This open-ear style keeps you aware of your surroundings, making it a safer choice for outdoor workouts, walking, cycling, or commuting. These earbuds are equipped with well-tuned drivers that deliver clear, balanced audio with a noticeable bass presence, even with an open-ear design. The sound profile is optimized to keep vocals crisp and music detailed, so you still get an enjoyable listening experience without completely blocking outside noise. The C50i features advanced microphones combined with AI-powered noise reduction that actively filters out background sounds like traffic, wind, or crowd noise. This technology focuses on isolating your voice, ensuring it sounds clear and natural during calls, even when you're in motion or surrounded by distractions. With several hours of playback on a single charge and extended usage through the charging case, these earbuds are built for all-day listening. Fast charging support also ensures you can quickly power up and get back to using them without long interruptions. You can rely on consistent performance throughout the day, whether you're working, traveling, or exercising. Technical specifications. How to wear. Take the earbuds out of the charging case and first identify which one is for the left ear and which one is for the right. This ensures proper fit and balanced sound performance when you wear them. Gently place each earbud onto your outer ear, making sure the speaker is facing forward toward your ear canal. Adjust it slightly up or down until it feels comfortable, secure, and stable without causing any pressure. Make sure the speaker sits properly near your ear for clear audio, while the battery rests behind your ear for balance. The button on the battery should be facing upward, confirming that the earbuds are correctly positioned for the best comfort and sound experience. How to pair. Start by downloading the Soundcore app from the App Store or Google Play. This app unlocks extra features like EQ presets, touch control customization, and additional settings to personalize your listening experience with the Soundcore wireless earbuds. Take the earbuds out of the charging case, and they will automatically enter pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, search for your device in the available devices list, and select it to connect. The earbuds will then be successfully linked to your device. Once connected, open the app to confirm pairing if prompted. From there, you can adjust sound settings, choose EQ presets, and customize touch controls based on your preference. After setup, your earbuds are fully ready for music, calls, and everyday use. How to charge. To charge your earbuds, plug the USB Type-C cable into the charging port located on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.